Avalara integrates with over 1.
The National Weather Service in Colombia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in central South Carolina, northwestern Chesterfield County in central South Carolina, northwestern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Heath Springs, or 11 miles southeast of Lancaster, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicator. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Pagewood, Kershaw, Elgin, Heath Springs, Husk, Lancaster, Irwin, Buford, Jefferson, Belltown Fire Station, Arrowwood Estates, Faith Christian School, Derby Park, Central High School, McDonald Green Elementary School, High Point Fire Station, Tradesville, Camp Creek Fire Station, Antioch and Kirk Air Base.